getting out here to get the first dumpster picked up. And man, there's a lot of stuff in here. This was a roofing dumpster. But there's trash in here, so it's gonna have to go to a different area at the landfill. This happened actually with the other neighbor right down the road. Had to go to a different area because of this. And there's paint leaking all over the driveway. Just needed that little bit to get it up. I should probably make sure those back doors are shut. Well, would you imagine that? Imagine that. Paint running out. Nobody can lock and shut the back doors. That's great. Ah, Jesus. There literally is paint running out of this dumpster right now. Oh, I'm gonna put you down. I'll see you in a minute. Well, that was an absolute fiasco. Absolute fiasco. His guys always shut the doors. Religiously shut the doors. And somebody opened them. And that's my fault for not looking. Trying to rush, trying to not get absolutely soaking wet. Nope, they're not blocking it, are they? So, had to get the jack out of the back of the truck, jack each side of the dumpster up, close the doors. Little bit of gouge on the driveway, but there's nothing you're gonna do about that. And I don't understand where all the garbage and paint came from. That shouldn't have been in there. So now we're gonna get charged extra for it, and the client is gonna get charged extra for it. I'm not gonna eat the cost on that. So, it is a nasty, nasty day outside. What you got to tell YouTube, Silene?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Is it Wednesday or Friday?
It is Wednesday. We've got 2 deliveries and 3 pickups on the schedule today. Just got one of the pickups. Got another one out in Charleston. And I don't know where the third is, to be honest with you. Might only be 2 pickups. They brought a lot of rock in here and put rock down, so there's no more big holes, Silas.
Where?
Right back there. That's why it's been closed the past 2 days, apparently.
Where?
Just pulling in here, had to lock the 4-wheel drive in. See how it does. Ever since we had them go through and work on the
Why is it backing up?
work on the exhaust. I don't know why he's backing up. I don't know what he's doing.
Oh, he's pushing the track.
And everything is disgustingly sloppy. Oh, another day, another dollar, folks. Another day, another dollar. I don't know where my big mud boots are. Yes, I do. They're at the house. Big old coil of nails just hanging out right here. That can't be there. Oh, Jesus. That's what I'm talking about. And the tarp is just running. Oh, that might be. All right, let's get this open and dumped. Guess I'll show you in daylight hours. Desmond got the pylons taken out. Look at it. You see what I'm looking at or no? Look. Hey, stop, bring it down. Desmond did, so now we can back a trailer up in here.
Yes,
I know, that's awesome. Sure they're not light. Nope, they're not. Roll them bad boys up in the back of a dumpster and let the scrapyard just break them apart and just take the steel. I showed you this yesterday, but I'll show you again, daylight hours. Dual rails, 47 inch, 36 inch. The clevis and hook is gonna come over to here. We're gonna get binders under here that wrap the dumpster. And then the rollies in the front. Might need to do a little bit of work on these. These might need to get cut back a little bit. We'll get a dumpster loaded up on there tomorrow. I actually don't have anything on the schedule for tomorrow as of yet, which is good because I've just got a lot of things going on. That issue at the house last night dealt with the dogs. All right, let me, hey, stop, let me do that just so it doesn't get caught. All right, hop in, I'll get the gates because everything's wet.
I'll sit on here.
Don't step on that umbrella, please. Hop in and buckle. So the issue yesterday was with
That was a long ride.
our purebred shepherd and
That was a long.
hound shepherd mix. So I'm gonna have some scans done tonight on shepherd. No, you're gonna buckle now. You're gonna listen to me. You're not in charge, I am.
Yeah, mommy.
Gonna have some scans done tonight on the Shepherd. It was a completely unprovoked attack, unprovoked issue, and physically they're fine. I mean, they've got some cuts and a little bit of blood, but nothing more than, I mean, it's not like it needed an emergency vet or anything. And of course, this is the secondary one. Let's see if it'll stay. Will it? Of course not. Why would it? Why would it stay? Why did I not drill an additional hole there? I don't know. But we need to have Reese checked out tonight. I get it, dogs will be dogs. Dogs are gonna do things. Dogs are gonna play, but Elizabeth could not get her to stop. And the security footage from our backyard is pretty disturbing, to be honest with you. So I don't know if there's something wrong with Reese. I don't know if there's something wrong with Ella, but right now they're separated. There, yep. You want to blast through them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put the windows down.
No, we can't put the windows down. We'll get soaked. Yes. You like that? So now we got to figure out where we're going. Pretty sure we're going to run Ashley Phosphate or Ashley River Road. So that's just kind of what's been on my mind. Elizabeth's obviously.
Is Mom and Avery work?
No, buddy. It's 10 o'clock.
No, only one.
Elizabeth is obviously very upset with it. So just gonna kind of see where things go, and hope for the best. that last 15 yard delivered. Met Elizabeth in Somerville, and she picked up Silas. And he went with her. So I came back, swapped out dumpsters. Man, the pollen is just flying through the air. I thought with all that rain that we just had, the pollen would be gone. At least for the day. But I guess not. She got him, I swapped, put the 20 yard at the yard. Picked up a 15, just delivered it. The gentleman was there. There was cars across the road. He had to move his car so I could get in. It was kind of a mess. I just said I'm not going to videotape it. So, 2 pickups, 2 deliveries today. Right now, the schedule is empty for tomorrow. Jervon just called. He's going to come by about 4 o'clock, get everything cleaned up. So Silas and I will probably hook on to the trailer that has dual rails, get that down to Corbin's, see if he can simply take a look at it. The back tire, the day after I picked it up, on the driver's side, just simply locked up for no reason. So I need them to look at it and maybe get that by the hydraulic shop, have them take a look at what they think, a simple seal or a whole new cylinder or what. And then we're probably gonna run and get some paint and try to get that all painted up and looking good. As soon as it's clean today, I may slap some paint on it first thing in the morning. That way we can get some pictures while it's clean and doesn't have any road grime on it. So, step in the right direction. I still need to mess around with it and try to load a dumpster. I don't have any standard rail dumpsters over this way. Closest is going to be Monster Clean over on 52. So, may just get the thing cleaned today, this afternoon. Go and run all of our errands with it tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, once I know for a fact it works, everything is good, you know, hit the paint to it and get pictures. If I have to re-scrub certain areas, I can. That's not a problem. And then we're gonna shove it kind of up in the back out of the way. Maybe it'll sell quick. I would like for it to sell quick. And then see about finding a truck. This trailer, I ripped the brake power on that, and I need to order new brake parts for this one. It's gonna go in the shop, I believe, a week from today. So I need to get some parts if we're gonna do this. Yep, I need to get some parts. So that'll be something I look at later. But I'm gonna wrap up and drop the trailer, see about getting the truck washed, run back by the house, grab Reese, take her to Tractor Supply, get her all cleaned up, and then she has a vet appointment. Man, fine parenting skills right here. Kid is completely hanging out of the side of the car. I mean, I know I did some stupid stuff as a kid, but as an adult, and there was an adult driving, I don't understand that. I don't understand that. So, gonna get Reese up to the vet. See if they can tell us anything, and then probably make an appointment for Ella for tomorrow and see if they can tell us anything. The issue last night, there was an unprovoked attack, and Elizabeth and I really have no idea as to why it happened. So our best bet at the moment is to have them checked at the vet and make sure there's not something going on with either one of them. So it's got Elizabeth worried, it's got me worried, especially for, you know, not only the safety of the other dogs, but the boys, anybody that comes to the house. Reese has always been a gentle giant, I would say. She and I play. She and I get rough. She is not rough with the boys. She has never been rough with the other dogs. And it was like a light switch last night. Something just happened. So, you know, we'll see if the vet can tell us anything and kind of go from there. So I could have possibly delivered another one today. They called for Utahville. And I said to the lady, I said, what do you need it for? Oh, just gonna clean up some landscape. Okay, where do you want it? Oh, I want to put it in the backyard. And I said, well, I'm not even gonna attempt to put it in the backyard with all the rain that we've had. Really? Yeah, really. Like, not gonna do it. So she wasn't all too happy with that decision, but you know, it's my decision. So I don't know if she called somebody else. I don't know if she's just gonna wait a little bit, but just pulling by that demo over there, and they have not done anything. Matthew's cones are still sitting there. I wonder if he knows that. So the siding on the house next to it is still all burnt and crinkled. But did not get a video put out today. 2:30. I think Elizabeth is working on one, but you know, she obviously was not in her right state of mind last night. So we'll get one out. It may be a Monday and Friday this week. You know, she's, and I am, we both are still very concerned with, you know, why the actions last night happened, the incident last night happened. But all the dogs are good. They are missing a little bit of fur and a little bit bloody and some cuts and scrapes and bruises. But they're separated, and that's how they're going to remain until we figure out what's going to happen. So, right around the corner from the yard, going to drop this trailer off, and then tomorrow, just a bunch of running around. So we may videotape and just kind of see where it goes. But I appreciate you guys watching the channel. Thanks for the support. Like, subscribe, notifications on. Have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.